Alright, so the next thing we want to do is go back to the main page. So when you first log in, it shows you this chart, right? But if you go to historical data here, what we want to do is we want to go back to the daily prices. Daily's kind of nice. It gives us a lot more information. But I want to customize the period. So I want to go back 5 years. Right now, it's November 28th, 2022. What's 5 years from 2023? 2018. So I'm just going to drop this down, and then I'm going to scroll up to 2018. Okay? And then I'm going to select November, and then today is the 28th. You could do that if you want. It doesn't really matter. Then hit Done. And then once you do that, you'll hit Apply over here, and just hit Apply. All right? And then what you could do is you could download. So when I click on download, and I don't know if you guys are able to download on your Chromebooks, I think you are, you'll get this thing called a CSV. When you open that, it'll ask you if you want to import it into Google Sheets. You can, right? You can if you want to. But for some reason, all of my dates don't appear, right? What I want are the closing prices, right? So this is supposed to go back to, see how that says 11/28. Maybe I'll change the format on this one if it's not. I'm surprised that the format is weird, but actually, maybe I'll put that in data. If you go to data, I think maybe we should do it in Google. So when you download it, what it's going to do is it's going to open it up in Google. So let me help you with that so it looks like the way you see it. So when you guys open it, it will look like this. And it'll give you the option to open it with Google Sheets. So then we're just going to basically copy and paste it from Google Sheets. Okay? And so these are the dates. So Mr. Adams is just going to come all the way down here. Let me move this out of my way. And I'm going to come way, 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 way down at the bottom. And I hit Shift, and I highlight all that, and then I copy it. Then I'm going to go back to my stock market thing right here, and I'm going to hit Paste. Okay? That gives me all my dates. We'll fill this out in a second. Then I go back to the spreadsheet, and I go all the way up at the top again. And we want the closing price. So I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom. And if I hit Shift, I highlight it, then you hit Control C, then I come in here, and I'm going to hit Control V, and it puts it in there as money. We could format this too if you want to. Format the data, the number to a date. So if you do it that way, it makes it a little cleaner. Okay? And then from here, we could do 0 months. Then we could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you just fill that in the rest of the way. All right? I think if I do... No, I don't want to do that. I got to remember how to autofill. I think if you go up here to One of these you can autofill it. Oh, you got to do two. So if I go, no. I think under tools, well, maybe just type it in manually. But you got to go down for a while. I'll figure out how you do it manually. I think you can autofill. Google it real quick. But anyways, we're going to put all that in there. And whatever this total is,